way, mate. Thank you. Undo this one, she's coming. Undo it off the tree. Or someone. You pull him up, bro. You pull him, lad. That's it. Let's see what we got.
It's undone.
Come on. That's it. Pull him up. Ooh, ooh. Wash that mud off too. Bring him on, come on. Wash that mud. There's one. That's a good buck. Two there, eh? All right, I'll just put him in reverse. All right. Just a look. Big ones?
Yep.
Oh yeah, bring him on. Three. Oos. Oos. Ah, two sluts and a buck. That's a big buck there in front of you.
Yep.
Rightio. Here, Dad. Bring him on, my brother.
Ready?
Alright, big bitches. Grab them, throw them over. Grab them. Just grab them at the back there like that. And just place them back in the drink, mate. That's it. Up all. Don't fuck around. That's it. Straight to piss. Straight to piss. There you go. Careful with him. Careful with him. Zoom in on that fucker. Here he comes. Oh yeah. Oh, he's got a big X on him. What? Oh yeah. Someone's marked him before. See that leg? See that? Where's he? He's alright. So you see where someone else has touched him before and split the shell? See them little marks there? It's healed. So he's healed solid now. And there's the mark. That's the pirate mark. X mark the spot, eh? Give me a bum.